What? What did you say?
I want you to play. What?
On the box it says 5 to 7 only. I'm not under 7. I'm not even 7. So it's not a toy for me.
Hold on, let me look at your phone.
Why? Why do you want to look at my phone?
I can't.
You can't what? You can't breathe?
I can't pick. I can't get help.
Ew. You okay? Wait, go put... You got socks on? Do you have socks on?
No.
Then go put some socks on, babe. Excuse you. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Happy Halloween.